Xiaomi announced 4 new products on 8th May. They announced the Mi 10, which is their flagship phone, Mi True Wireless Earphones 2, My 30-watt wireless charger, and lastly, the Mi Box 4K. I am particularly interested in the Mi Box 4K since it might be the first streaming device which might put up a fight against the current streaming device champion of India, the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. So, in this video, we are going to compare these two streaming devices and find out which one of these is a better deal. I am not going to bore you by comparing the processors of both the devices because frankly, who cares? Both the devices are capable of 4K and that, in my opinion, is enough. You are not going to game extensively on any of these, so processing power hardly matters. But for the techie among you, the Mi Box 4K has a 2 GHz quad-core processor while the Fire TV Stick has a 1.7 GHz quad-core processor. Owing to the slightly faster processor speed, the Mi Box 4K might be overall snappier compared to the Fire TV Stick 4K. Now let us compare the I/O or the input-output of both these devices. The Mi Box 4K has an audio output port, a HDMI port, a USB 2 port, and a round pin power connection at the back, while the Fire TV Stick just has a HDMI port and a micro USB port for power. The audio port on the Mi Box makes it easier to connect external speakers to it, and the USB port will help immensely in playing movies or photos that you might have on your USB drive. Oh, and it will greatly reduce the effort required to sideload apps on your Mi Box. The only thing that I am concerned about is the round pin power connection. One of the first things to go bad on a streaming device is the power adapter, and since the Mi Box uses a round pin power adapter, you might have a tough time finding it if your existing adapter goes kaput. On the Fire TV Stick, it is just a standard micro USB port, so just about any charger will be okay. But I think I will give this one to the Mi Box because more ports are just better. The rest of the things are pretty similar. Both the devices are fully capable of completing your dream of an ultimate movie watching experience at your home. Both support Dolby Atmos and HDR10. Both support major streaming services like Prime Video, Netflix, Disney and YouTube. Both have Bluetooth connectivity for your headphones. And both have their assistants which perform more or less the same. So which one should you buy? The Mi Box 4K is going to be launched at just 3,500 rupees, while the Fire TV Stick 4K will set you back by about 6,000. That is a huge 2,500 rupees more than the Mi Box 4K. So considering the significantly lower price and the vastly better I/O, I strongly recommend buying the Mi Box 4K over the Fire TV Stick 4K. It is just better value for money. So that is it for this comparison of both the streaming devices. I hope you liked this video. Please leave a like if you did and please subscribe to my channel for more such tech videos. My name is Vaibhav and I will see you guys in my next video.